Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Vacheron Constantin Fiftysix day date reference 4400E-000R-B436 40mm in rose gold. I will tell you a little bit about the history of this 56, then I'll tell you about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with the history. Now the Vacheron Constantin, or as it's spelled, Vacheron Constantin, that's how it's spelled, is pronounced Vacheron Constantin. I guess it must be some French saying or something. But anyways, the brand itself has been around for a very long time. I want to say like, I don't know, 270 years or something like that. It's the longest standing company, watch company in the world. There's no other watch company that has been around this long as Vacheron. Well, at least I should say major, but maybe there's some random one off that, you know, that's not very well known. But they're definitely the most well known and the longest standing watchmaker. Even older than Patek Philippe or Audemars Piguet or anyone else, they're the longest by far. 270 years is a long time. And so they've had a long time to figure out how to make watches right, and they definitely do that. Some people consider that the three best or most beautiful watches or most well done watches in the world are Audemars Piguet, Vacheron Constantin, and Patek Philippe. Who knows? Everybody has their own opinion. But definitely, no matter what, Vacheron is up there. And they created the 56 line in not that long ago. I want to say something like 2018 or so, which is only, as of 25, only about 7 years old. So there's not a lot of models already out on this 56, but there are some very cool ones. And it is very unique in its look because yes, the watch is circular, but the case is very unique, and we'll go through it in a little bit. And they have many variations of it. Not that many though, actually. At least as of the moment on their website, there's only 13 different variations. And so that brings us to the next topic, which is where this watch stands in the lineup of other Vacherons or other 56 Vacherons. And well, the answer is you can kind of break down the 56s by the complication. The most simple is just time and date only, and then you have complications from there, such as the day and the date, which is what you're looking at here. Then you have a complete calendar, which looks kind of similar, or does a similar function, I should say instead. And then they also have tourbillon. Yeah, and then they do those day and date and those other complications I said in other materials as well, like steel with the different dial colors, etc. So there's not a lot of them. I would say basically 3 or 4 different variations, movements, but they do different dial colors and such. Okay, now with that said, let's dive into this one. This one is the day and the date. It has the day on the left-hand side, which is at 9 o'clock. That's Monday through Sunday, and they have the date 1 through 31 on the right-hand side, and they have power reserve. So let's start talking about this watch, starting with the case. And the watch itself is 40 millimeters, so that makes it a perfect dress watch size. And as you can see, since this watch is on leather, it makes perfect sense for it to be looked at as a dress watch. But it's a dress watch that's more modern, not like a very classic dress watch. A dress watch with modern look to it. And if you look at the case, it's a pretty interesting case. It's nice. They do a very wide beveled edge on the side, much wider than any of their others, and it's a very smooth lines, and it has actually a thickness that is not all that thick. If you turn it on its side profile, it's just barely enough to support the watch. And I think, let's see how many millimeters it is here. 11.6 millimeters in thickness. So I would say that's actually just about right. 40 millimeters by 12 is very nice. Okay, so yeah, the case is done very nice, and it's all done in rose gold, by the way. And it has at the crown their Maltese cross. That's their the emblem, and also has a pusher at the 4 o'clock position that you can change the date on. So quite a nice feature there. Okay, let's move on to the bezel. The bezel, they decided to go with a very clean look. It's not a super thin bezel. Some of the new watches are doing super ultra thin bezel so they can maximize the dial. That looks good in some ways, but it's also, it's got its drawbacks, right? You want to have a little bit of balance, maybe not the watch going to the very edge. So they do a nice sort of domed or flat bezel here, and that's good for the purpose of providing some contrast between the dial itself and the rest of the case, so that there's a little balance there. And it also doesn't get scratched as easily or dinged. For example, on a Rolex fluted bezel, if you ding the bezel, it's pretty much over. That bezel is like toast. And that happens very often, actually. That's a reason why people sell their Datejust or day dates, because it just gets too beat up and they don't want it anymore. But by the way, if you have that issue, we could fix it for you. It requires money, but we could do it. All right. Anyways, let's move on here to the dial. The dial here is also pretty nice in that it is a silver dial, and it displays not just the time, of course, like every watch, but also the day and the date, because a lot of times people forget what day it is. Is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, whatever? And you can just tell that by looking at your watch. And people also forget what the date is, 1 through 31. For example, I actually can't remember what day is today. Is it the 9, 10, or 11? Something like that. Doesn't really matter. If I had this watch, I could tell it's on the right hand side. It has a power reserve that you can see here on the right that tells you how much power reserve is in the watch. Okay, so quite a nice, and it looks quite modern by mixing both Arabic numbers with indexes. And those indexes, by the way, are luminescent so that you can read this watch at night. Also, a practical aspect to owning this watch is that you'd actually like to read it at night. Too many dress watches don't have the ability to be read at night. So, yeah. And silver dial, by the way, matches everything. It can be worn with dark clothing or light clothing, and it's a perfect contrast, with the rose gold watch. So yeah, it looks really nice. Let's move on to the movement here and take a look at this thing. This is where this watch really shines. It has this cutout rotor, which has the Maltese emblem on the back, which is perfectly cut out. And this takes a lot of work, because if you look at closely with the loop, you'll see that the edges are also beveled and polished. And it takes quite a bit of work to make the rotor like this. And of course, the movement itself is beautifully done. It has beautiful Coteau de Genève stripes on it. And just the finish, of course, it's all Vacheron, all top-notch, highest quality that one could get. Okay, so that is the movement. Let me see what caliber this is. It's a caliber reference 2475 SC-2. And it has a 40-hour power reserve and 264 parts. That's about average, I would say. Okay, anyways, and let's look at the strap. Now the strap is just coming on a brown crocodile strap, and I think that's the best combination, if you ask me, with the rose gold brown crocodile strap. Very elegant. You can wear this with a suit, and not a sports watch, that's for sure, but it's not like a super dressy watch. It's definitely going to be in my opinion, a dress watch, but it has more contemporary look to it. Anyways, the strap is beautiful, and yeah, let's try this watch on my wrist. Now I'm 200 pounds, 6 foot tall, and I have a 7.5 inch wrist. As you see, the 40 millimeter does not look too big or too small, just right. And I definitely would recommend this. Now, here's what I'm going to say. This is the part where I get to give you my opinion. This watch retails for $48,700. Damn, that's a lot of money. At the authorized dealer, that's going to be $50,000, more than $50,000 after tax. But we're selling it at jazzdime.com for half. That's not a misspeak, it's half. We're selling for half of that. So in the 20s, 25, something like that right now. At least as of 25. So you're getting a massive discount from the retail, and that's not just because the watch is bad or anything. No, the watch is fantastic. It's just that Vacheron, especially their dress watches, don't do that well on the secondary market. They're They're overseas, actually even go over retail, like many other brands. But their dress watches don't go over retail. They actually go under retail, and quite a bit under retail. So the value perspective, you get a day and a date, which is not a high complication, but it's a complicated watch still. It looks beautiful. It has a high retail, and you get it at a massive discount. I mean, I don't think AP or Patek have many watches that are selling for 50% of retail, and this one definitely does that. And it doesn't look bad. It looks very good actually. So for that reason, you have to look at everything within the context of how much it costs, right? So you can't compare a $100,000 watch with a $20,000 watch, because those two price points are totally different. So at this price point, in the 20s or even 30, it's just a great watch, and it's from a massive brand that has amazing history, and it also looks beautiful. So I'm definitely gonna give it 2 thumbs up. And look, if you want to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazztime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.